students, welcome back to social studies. As what all we studied about previous class, we got through know about how the substance will be dissolved in water, or in that how the solution will be get, right? And we got through know from liquid to gas, evaporation, from gas to liquid concentration, and liquid to solid solidification, and solid to liquid melting, right? Yes. Now we'll see, and what all that physical changes also we got through know, right? Yes. And chemical changes, physical changes, both we learned at previous class, right? Now we'll see. Let us now observe the chemical changes. Taken some sugar in a spoon, eat it in some time, and that sugar turns a black, and a new substance is called charcoal is formed. A charcoal cannot be returned into a back into the sugar. This is known as undergoes a chemical changes. Yes, everybody knows, right? Yes, if we heat the sugar, it will dissolve. Okay, if it dissolve, can we convert into back to sugar? No. Yes, such changes we can consider as chemical changes. Okay, take it that above appropriate column. Yes, process reversible, irreversible. Reversible is what? Yes, if I take as example ice. If ice we melt, it becomes liquid. Again, if we go and keep into the freezer, again it will convert it into ice. So such is known as reversible. Irreversible is paper. If we burn the paper, what it will happen? It will happen ash. Again the ash we can convert into paper? No, we can't convert. So such case is known as irreversible. Okay. Yes. Now we'll see an egg. Egg if we boil, it will become that boiling egg, right? Again, after boiling it, we can convert into raw egg? No, that is irreversible. Okay, water. If we freeze the water, it will become ice. Then if we keep that out of that freezer, ice will become water. Reversible or irreversible? Yes, that is reversible. Right? Henna. If henna it's dried, what it will happen? Henna powder. Henna if it is dried, what again we can convert into dry powder only, right? If there is a powder, if you put some water and you make it that paste, later you keep in sun, what it will? Again it will get dry, right? So that is reversible. So kerosene used in the lamp. If kerosene is used in the lamp, again we can replace that kerosene. No, that is irreversible, right? Yes. Paint on a wall that drying. Yes, drying. If the paint is dried on the wall, again we can convert into the same liquid paint. No, we can't convert. So that is irreversible. Charcoal. Charcoal is burned. If charcoal is burned, what we'll get? Again we'll get the same charcoal. So that is reversible. Again wood. If we burn the wood, again we'll get the wood? No, we won't get the wood. So that is irreversible, right? Yes. Vegetables cooking. Yes. If we cook the vegetables, it will become cooking vegetables. If we cook the vegetables, then we can get the we can replace into the raw vegetable? No, we can't replace. So what it will shows? Yes, that is irreversible. We got through, no? Which is irreversible, which we can convert into reversible, which we cannot convert into reversible. Everything we got to know, right? Yes. Now we'll see. Discuss with the classes how solid can be made the dissolve that more quick in the water, and test out one or more given the suggestions. Stirring and varying the temperature of water, and varying the size of the particles, and changing in the volume of water. When you burn the paper, it becomes the ash or a boil on egg. It changes into that irreversible changes. Why it will irreversible changes? We cannot replace that paper if once it burn. If you boil that egg, we can't replace it again that raw egg, right? So such is known as irreversible. Okay, now we'll see chemical or irreversible changes. Chemical changes is permanently change on a substances by burning a piece of a paper, it changes into ash. Can this ash turn back into the paper? No. So this is permanent changes. This changes which is new substances formed a burning anything changes causes is known as chemical changes. Yes, what is chemical changes? Chemical changes is nothing but the changes which are on the substances. If we burn a piece of a paper, it will convert into ash. Okay, again that ash we can convert into paper? No, we can't. So such cases will it will change permanently, right? The paper will change permanently to the ash, right? So such changes is known as chemical changes. Okay, yes. Next we'll see insoluble solid and solvable solid. Insoluble solid is stone, water, stone on the sand and dissolves in water, then do not form any solution. Yes, see, if we put stone on water, it will dissolve in water. It is not in the form of solution. It will be stay same as it is. However, we'll put into the water, it will be same. See, this is the pencil. If you put in water, what it will happen? It will be same. So that is known as insoluble solid. That is, we won't consider solvable solid. Whichever will dissolve in water, such is known as solvable. Which does not which does not solves, so that is which does not dissolves, such is known as insoluble solid. Clear? Okay, we'll see solvable. Sugar dissolves in water, it is in the form of solution. It's very clear, right? I showed I took 1 tablespoon of salt and I dissolves in water. What it happens is just dissolves in water, so it is solvable. Insoluble is take 1 glass of water, if you put the pencil it will dissolve. No, it don't dissolve. So such cases is known as insoluble solid. Clear? Yes. Classical discussion. Name any 3 other solutions that come across commonly in everyday. Everyday. Okay, we will convert now. Salt is solvable. Solid. Another one for insoluble, whichever we can take. Yes, we can take to the wood. Wood is insoluble. Right? Yes. Again, next. Sugar, salt, soda. Yes, soda is also it will dissolve in water, right? That is solvable solid. And for soda, which we can take spoon. If we spoon, no need of spoon. If I take as example, we can take pulses. It is insoluble. Okay. Yes. Again, which word we use regular? Yes, mud will dissolve in water and it will convert in somewhat a red form of water, right? Yes. So that is solvable solid. And for the mud, what we can take? Yes, we can take as iron. It is insoluble. Okay. Yes. Which is solvable, which is insolvable. We got through 3 other solution that across it will come at every day, right? Yes. When you paint, you use the water to mix your color. Do you think the color dissolves in water? When you paint, you see water to mix in your color. Do you think the color dissolves in water? The color will dissolve in water, students? Yes or no? I won't say the answer. This will be your homework. You cannot mix oil paint with water. Does that mean oil paint does not dissolve in water? Oil paint. Take the help of your parent and make sure of find out these two answers. Okay, we'll see. When the two substances mix completely, the mixture is called a solution. We say sugar is soluble in water, that it has dissolves. When we mix the substances in water, it stays that custard. We stay it insoluble water, that mixture substances is obviously, which all I gave here example. That is only the meaning for soluble and insoluble. Clear? Anyway, students, we got through note today, insoluble and solvable, reversible and irreversible, right? Yes, this topic will go through at tomorrow class, at the next class. Okay, bye students, meet you up at the next class.